Welcome to Boundary Ford, located at 2502 50th Avenue in the Lloydminster Border City. Today we are taking a look at a brand new 2018 Ford F-150 King Ranch. The exterior color is a blue jeans metallic paired with a Kingsmanville leather interior. At the front we have our LED headlamps as well as our halogen fog lights and our two tow hooks to match the bottom with a chrome grille insert. At the side, we have our 20-inch aluminum machined wheels wrapped in a Goodyear all-season tire. At the sides, we have our OEM Ford running boards with the King Ranch badging and the color-matched door handles and mirror caps. The mirrors also have blind spot information system. At the rear, we have a power sliding defrosting windshield, as well as LED lights in the box and a backup camera with backup sensors for any assistance, as well as our trailer connection with our 4 and 7-pin connections, with the LED taillights as well. At the interior, we have many driver-friendly features including door storage, ambient lighting which allows you to change the color of them. We have our power windows with our power adjustable and foldable mirrors, as well as power locks with 3 options of memory seating. As we enter the cabin, the driver and passenger will be able to enjoy a fully powerful adjustable seat with lumbar support. Over to the left, we have our LED lighting, our automatic headlights, as well as our pull-on parking brake with our pedals adjustment system. Over at the steering wheel, we have our informational trackpad with our cruise control settings, as well as our entertainment trackpad for a hands-free calling system. As we look above, we have our LED dome lights, as well as our auto-dimming rear view mirror, as well as the cabin lights in the back. And as you notice, we have our special embroidering for our King Ranch series. In the center of our F-150, we have our Sync 3 8-inch touchscreen display. Below we have the controls for all of our media, our volume, and our tuning, which will allow us to cycle through each channel. Over to the left, we have our 4-wheel drive engagement, and just below we have our integrated trailer backing up system. And to the right, we have our dual climate control, which allows AC heating as well as heating seats for both driver and passenger. As the center console, we have our console shift lever with 10 select shifting, as well as 2 cup holders, a storage compartment with 2 USBs, as well as our center console for more storage and comfort. At the back, each passenger will be able to enjoy door storage, power windows, storage in the back of the driver as well as the passenger seat. As we look at the center console, we have our 12-volt adapter, our dual smart charging USB ports, as well as our AC outlet, with also heated seats including for both passengers in the rear of the vehicle. As you look at the seating, it will fit 3 passengers comfortably with tons of legroom as well as headroom, and dual folding cup holders in the middle. If you have any additional questions, please do not hesitate to contact our professional and friendly sales staff. We look forward to seeing you in store and answering any questions that you may have. We thank you for shopping with us here at Boundary Ford.